welcome back today here at Saxy Ride Shop. So we decided to do something a little different this time. We're here at Lone Star Park, the horse race track in Arlington, Texas, and we're going to do the Equipe Rapide Challenge Cup 7. So this is actually an autocross race. So never done this before. Drew's got the El Camino here.
All ready to go.
What's this thing called? Black Betty?
Jesse. It's little Jesse.
Little Jesse. That's what it's called. And then we're in the Shaggin Wagon. So one of the things we had to do is put seat belts in the car. So we got a seat belt in the car, and we had to unload everything out of the car. So that took me like 38.5 minutes. I have everything in the world in the car. So we drove over here this morning in the rain, and it's been raining off and on and sprinkling. So this ought to be interesting.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes.
We'll see how the
little tiny tires hold up in the wet pavement.
They'll do all right. As long as we don't do any spin outs or anything, turnarounds or whatever.
Yeah.
And
just floor it to spin it all the way back around.
so we're gonna probably make, I don't know, they said we'll probably get in about 6 runs today. It's a timed event, so it's just you're racing against yourself really in the course. So enjoy it. And we'll walk around, look at some of the other cars, maybe visit with some of the people that are that are regulars here, and see what's going on. So we'll be back in a little bit. Seen a what?
Seen a blinker.
I'll just leave mine on. I got one that won't cancel. That's what I ought to do, is leave it going. So this is the beginning of the course right here.
This Civic right here, really good.
So So this guy here that's coming up, he's probably one of the faster cars here. He's got half a motor in this thing too. So then all I got to do is push that button?
Yeah.
Did you turn the volume all the way up?
I do one more like that. The volume all the way up. Just press the button.
This one here.
Do you have the action button set up to do that?
No, all you have to do is this. Press that.
So we made our first run. Of course, I hit the wrong button on record. And then we had some lightning in the background, so they have a rule here, 30-minute wait from the time they see the lightning. Of course, now it's raining, and they actually run in the rain. So we'll see what goes on, but you can see in the background here that it's raining pretty good outside. So we're just gonna sit here and see what happens. Wait for the rain to die down. But so apparently though, my first run was 82 seconds time, which I guess for a first time ever is not too bad. On and off the throttle a lot because there's just too much torque and power. But and then right at the last turn, we did a donut and got back on course. So, and with all of that, we still did 82 seconds. So that would have been a high 70-second run probably. So we'll go from there, see what happens.
Well, Mike, it's pretty wet out here.
Is this what they call liquid sunshine in Texas?
I think so.
So we had a great time. Started pretty early this morning. Drove over here to Arlington to the Lone Star Park. But as you can see around us,
It's pretty wet.
yeah, we got some of this Texas liquid sunshine coming down right at the moment. So they're working on getting back together and getting it ready. So they'll race in the rain. But if there is a lightning strike, visible lightning strike, then they stop for 30 minutes. And they just announced that we've been lightning free for going on 20 minutes. So they're trying to get all the workers to start getting back out on the track.
But
I'm not getting on that track
yeah,
in this weather.
it's too wet.
So finally convinced Drew here that the smart thing for us to do is to go home. We still got to get home.
Yeah.
And,
I won't have a problem. Yeah.
I know. And with the wagon, we have AC, but we have no heat, no defrost. So you're going to see me going down the road doing this on the windows. So we're loading everything up. You think they'll get mad if we just leave their tent here?
Yeah, I think we might pack up their tent, bring it back.
No, so we got the other guys that were here left their tent for us to stay in under for now, but we're going to go ahead and tear it down, load it up, and then head back to the house. So we're going to do it again. We had a fun time. I think it'd be more fun when we can...
Yeah. Looks like August is when the next one is.
Middle to the late of August will be the next race, or next event. So we'll be back. We're going to come do that. So anyway, stay tuned, and thanks for joining us on our Sunday adventure. And we'll be back. Hit like and subscribe, and follow along if you haven't yet.
All right, so we got some seats going on for the Shaggin Wagon.
Yeah, so what we're doing, I got to a stopping point on the 55 Chevy as far as stuff for Tommy to do. So I'm actually having working on the Shaggin Wagon, giving some experience on doing some seats. So we took the back seat out, got rid of the stock springs, put a base on it. We still use the stock frame. He cut all the foam, made the contour, glued it all together, made the bolsters. We've got it marked out, so he's working on the actual back part now, the folding part.
Yeah, so what they do is they just make a little, out of all the foam, they make the lines and put it all together, and then they make little bolsters here to kind of hold you in. As much as a pinch seat can hold, as much as they can hold you.
He's laying out, he's made the patterns. I use the clear vinyl for the patterns. That way you can see through onto your mark. Make your pattern more accurate that way. So he's laying it out on the vinyl now, and then he will do a light glue to the 1/4" sew foam, cut all this out, and then start sewing the vinyl to the foam. So that's kind of where we are at the moment.
This is the houndstooth design that would be on there as well. Yeah, little blooper reel for you.